SDSU. Why am I here? Not only is SDSU and other universities and colleges great places to learn academics, but they're great places to learn magic. I'm here in the Student Union courtyard, as you can see. I don't know how much you can see down there, but I think this is a really cool building. I'm on the second floor, and even though it's nighttime, it's lighted really well, so it makes it for an ideal environment to teach stuff. So I hope you enjoy. Today's tutorial is called Magnetic Attraction. You're soon going to discover that magnetic attraction applies not only to people, but to a deck of cards. Do you like to play cards? Yeah, I do too. And you might know then that a standard practice during any given game, whether it's poker or go fish or whatever, is generally the practice is to shuffle and cut a deck of cards. And there's no exception with this, except I'm going to shuffle and I'm going to have you cut. So do me a favor, just cut approximately half the deck, straight up into the air, and then set it down right there. Okay? Now, do you feel satisfied you cut wherever you want it? You did. In fact, I'm going to mark that position just so we don't forget. So let me ask you, have you heard of the law of attraction? Of course you have. The law of attraction, some people believe that two human beings are just somehow attracted to each other through fate. Now, I don't believe in fate, but sometimes people really are sort of attracted to each other. You could almost call it magnetic. You're going to see that this applies to a deck of cards in a moment. Now, you cut anywhere you wanted, correct? And I didn't influence where you wanted to cut. You cut off a packet of cards. I'm going to have you look at the card you cut to. Do not show me, okay? In fact, look at it and show everyone who's watching, okay? Hold it nice and high so everyone can see. You got it? Now, in fact, it's really important everybody see it. So I guess we could sort of make an exception. Generally, when a magician has you pick a card, it's a secret. Do me a favor, turn your card face up. No, that's fine. It doesn't matter if we see it. The 10 of hearts, okay. So the way this is going to work, we're going to leave the 10 of hearts in the deck face up just for a second. And we're going to place it inside the card box for safekeeping. Remember what I said about magnetic attraction applying not only to human beings but to playing cards? As absurd as that sounds, if you create static electricity right now by throwing the card box into the air, something weird is going to happen or has happened. What was your card again? The 10 of hearts? If I go through, let's look for your card, the 10 of hearts. That magnetic attraction I was talking about has actually made all four tens magnetically come together. This is a super fun trick to do, and the beauty of it is if you have any questions, email me at tom@intervalmagic.com. Thanks for watching and or listening to this interval of magic. If you enjoyed it and want to see more like it, along with a variety of other great magic-related content, please help support my work in one of two ways. Follow and endorse me on rockfin.com/intervalmagic or become a Patreon patron at patreon.com/tominterval. Also, please like and share this, subscribe to my Interval Magic YouTube channel, and follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter at Interval Magic. Until then, may your intervals be happy, peaceful, and magical.